Hello guys, today is very cold. I don't know, maybe there is ice on the part of Taiwan because very cold. Whew, 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 whew. Now start our second term of our works. Have a um, advance Merry Christmas to all, to my family, friends, neighbors, Philippines, especially special mention sa bayang Sinilangan ko. I love you all. Enjoy, have peace of mind. Jesus loves you all. Release forgiveness and you will receive peace.